Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up an Excel sheet for print. First, navigate to the Page Layout tab in Excel. This is your starting point for all print-related adjustments. Here, you can easily modify your page margins, perhaps setting them to 1 inch all around for a clean look. You also have the option to select your page orientation, choosing between portrait for vertical documents or landscape for wider spreadsheets, ensuring your data is presented exactly as you intend. Next, it is crucial to define your print area. Highlight the exact range of cells you wish to print, then use the Set Print Area option to ensure only relevant data appears on paper. This prevents printing blank rows or columns. Furthermore, explore the scaling options. You can choose to fit your entire sheet onto one page, or perhaps fit all columns on one page, which is incredibly useful for large datasets, making your printouts much more manageable. Now, let's enhance your printout with headers and footers. These are perfect for adding essential details like page numbers, the current date, or even the file path, providing valuable context. You can customize these to appear at the top or bottom of each printed page. Additionally, consider whether you want to print grid lines, which can improve readability, and if you need to include row and column headings for easy data identification. Finally, before hitting print, always utilize the Print Preview feature. This allows you to see exactly how your Excel sheet will look on paper, helping you catch any last-minute layout issues. Take a moment to make any necessary adjustments to margins or scaling. Once everything looks perfect, select your desired printer, specify the number of copies you need, and then confidently send your professionally formatted Excel sheet to print.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.